Today we're going to be making focaccia. You can find the recipe we used for this dough in our pizza video, as well as our Chinese flatbread video, linked below in the description. Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. For this recipe you'll need salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and 1 sweet onion. Start by slicing the sweet onion. You want to make long, even slices, kind of like you're divvying things up in an amicable divorce. Just make them nice and even. To start, in a large pan, add enough olive oil that it will easily cover the surface of the pan. Toss in your onions and add pepper to taste. Cook the onions under high heat until they're transparent and nice and noodly. Start by pressing your finger into the raw dough to make little indentations, kind of like you want to make it a waffle, but not. Next, you can add the olive oil. We bought this spray thing to try to be fancy. You could just as easily pour it on there and spread it around with a brush or other utensil. Next, lightly add some pepper over the surface, and then some salt. Then grab your cooked onions and lightly spread them over your focaccia. Don't add too many, or it might make the dough a little soggy during the cooking process. Lastly, you'll top it off with some Parmesan cheese and then put it in the oven for 425 degrees for about 15 or 20 minutes. We apologize to the Italians. Our dough got a little too fluffy, but it'll still taste delicious. Let us know in the comments if you tried out our recipe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.